Hello everyone, Ali here, and I'm joining Nexttut as the lead of instructors and the director to help increasing the quality bar of the creation of all the tutorials. For those who haven't met me yet, I'm a 3D character artist and character art director who's been working in the industry for over 15 years, both in cinematics and games. I had the chance to work on many big titles you might heard of, and some of them are Marvel Rivals, Monster Hunter, PUBG, Call of the Dragons, Diablo, and many more. My job here is simple, raise the quality bar. And Nexttut has been already a tutorial hub for artists during the years. And my responsibility now is to bring a new level to creation of all the tutorials. And honestly, it's already started. You can see the difference in our latest two tutorials, cleaner explanations, better pacing, and more professional production. We also launched our new website so you can finally buy our tutorials directly from us instead of relying on other platforms. And I'm also here to listen. If you want a specific tutorial, creature sculpting, stylized characters, environments, or even dynamics, anything you want, just make sure you mention them in the comments. I'll make sure to read them and try to make those tutorials for you. And to celebrate the launch, below is going to be a discount code which you can use to buy our two new latest high quality tutorials. Alright, I'm excited to start this chapter with you. Make sure to drop your tutorial requests in the comments, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next videos.